Hello and good morning, guys. I just woke up. I look crazy right now. This outfit, not it for me. Today I'm going to be filming a what I eat in a day, and I'm so excited because I've got some really good recipes planned out for the rest of the day. It is currently 9 a.m. The sun is shining, which is really motivating me to get up, start making breakfast, and make a good day out of it. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to have for breakfast yet. I think I'm probably going to go for a smoothie bowl because that's normally what I do every morning. Just simple, easy, fun to make, aesthetic, makes for a good Instagram story, and very filling. So first things first, we need to drink some water, and I bought a ginger shot yesterday, so I'm excited to try that. I've never had one before, and I have a feeling it's gonna taste tragic, but we'll do it together. Got my chlorophyll water and I'm ready to spark some controversy. Now, okay, I get it. I know I've seen the TikToks that chlorophyll might possibly not do anything to you, but I'm pretty sure it's not harmful to you. Tastes good, in my opinion. It makes me drink more water, and it's kind of just like pretty. Like, I like the green. I don't know. This is the shot that we're gonna have today. I think I might throw up. I literally hate these shots, but I made sure to read the ingredients, and this one is just ginger juice, lemon juice, and honey, which I feel like is not that bad. It really shouldn't be. Now, I don't think I can drink this in all one sip, but let's give it a go. I think ginger juice is really good for you, so. Okay, let's have a little cheers. Wow, oh my god, that is spicy. Okay, not that bad tasting, but like the ginger does in fact burn my throat, but it must be good. It must be killing something. It's like spicy. Oh my god, it's burning my throat. It's quite sunny outside, so I think I'm gonna go sit in the grass and like plan out my day, and then I'm gonna have breakfast in like an hour or so. I feel like I just planned out my whole life on my calendar and my journal. I just showed you a little clip of this little book that my mom bought, and it's called The Little Book of Self-Care. First page I opened up to, I kid you not, is take a daily vitamin. Makes me happy because it brings us to today's sponsor, which is Care Of. This page says that many people don't get the vital nutrients they need from food alone. And it says vitamins can be expensive, but it's a small price to pay when you think about how it's helping your body stay in tip-top shape. This, come on. I couldn't have said it better myself. Thank you to Care Of for collaborating with me on this video. Care Of helps you find the right vitamins that are personalized to you, that have clean ingredients that are backed up by science. They don't have any unnecessary fillers or artificial flavor, which makes you feel good about what you're putting into your body. I got one of these little boxes, and it's so cute because you can pull out a pack of vitamins every single morning. Packaging, look how cute. It says, "Hi Fernanda," which I think is just makes me feel extra special. Every single day they either have a quote or a fact on them, and that has honestly been like my favorite part about this whole thing. This one says that there's a theory that people with blue eyes have a higher tolerance of alcohol. Tells you all the ingredients that are used in these, and they're super transparent about the research and the sourcing that goes behind each product. They have an online quiz that you can do, and they ask you so many different kinds of questions. Honestly, so fun. I love doing quizzes, and it doesn't take too long to know exactly what vitamins and supplements you need for your own health and wellness goals. They ask you questions about your diet, lifestyle, and health concerns to make sure these are curated right for you. And they make it super personal. Like, they asked me how many days I work out, what exactly my goals were in terms of energy levels and all that sort of thing. They also have an eco-friendly mindset, which I just think is great. These are all compostable. You can also look up the instructions on how to compost your packages on the Care Of website, which is just at takecareof.com/p/eco. My little box came with a paper that says made for Fernanda, and it tells me exactly what I got in my box. A probiotic blend. I also got rhodiola, which supports endurance and recovery after exercise. I also got a pack of these, which are called Pocket Protectors on-the-go probiotics for immunity, which are just these little quick sticks that are dietary supplements that you can just take. I also got collagen, but I'll show you guys that when I make my bowl because I'll put that in there. And then the last thing I got was a dietary supplement called Maca, which supports fitness performance, which is once again very important to me. I normally take these when I'm eating breakfast just so that I have something to take them down with. I'm just gonna have these right now. feel like with the whole idea of spring cleaning, it's obviously important to keep your whole space clean, but it's good to keep your own mind and body clean by taking vitamins and supplements and things that are going to benefit me. Also makes it super easy to declutter your vitamin cabinet and replace a bunch of bottles of vitamins with this super convenient and cute dispenser. You guys need to take CareOf's quiz. I'll have it linked in my description. You can see what vitamins and supplements are recommended for you. Click on the link below and use my code Fernanda50 for 50% off your first month at CareOf. It's now 11 a.m. and I'm starting to get hungry, so I'm gonna go make my bowl, and like I said, I'm gonna use my collagen powder. Okay, I definitely made this too watery, but it's too late to go back now, so we're gonna add the toppings, but I'm aware, okay? I know that they're gonna sing. Definitely probably should have added something like thicker, like a frozen banana. It's finally done and she's ready to eat. I'm so excited. I'm gonna just like, oh, it's so painful to mix, but I'm excited to try this. Honestly, it's so runny, but it's fine. This is so good. I'm gonna continue eating it. I'll talk to you guys probably in a few hours when I'm having lunch. It's been a little bit later. I've now gotten ready. My mom just showed me a recipe book, so I think I'm gonna take a recipe out of that book, and I don't have half of the ingredients, so me and my mom are gonna go to the grocery store right now because she's free on her lunch break, get a bunch of groceries, and then come back and have lunch. Let's go. I'm gonna drive my parents' car. I think what we're gonna have today is called a Buddha bowl. I've said this in like all my what I eat in a day. No, I literally only have one, but I always call it like vegetarian or vegan because when I cook food for myself, which is what I do when I do these what I eat in a days, I hate cooking meat, so I end up just eating plant-based that day. So that's why I'll title it that. So if people are plant-based or vegetarian, they can try out this meal. I think I also want to go to a certain store that carries yerba mate. Yerba mate. I hate saying that word because I literally don't know how to say it. Hopefully I can get one of those.
But if you smell rotten eggs, go outside first.
I'm gonna play some music on my Spotify. You guys can follow me if you want, but honestly my playlists aren't that great because I listen to a bunch of other people's playlists, but you can listen to it if you want. It's always linked in the description box. I'm gonna listen to a playlist called Car Jams that everybody knows because this is the vibe. It's gonna be one less lonely girl. I'm sneaking away to grab my beloved yerba mate. I think I'm gonna go for the Enlightenment. Okay, I'm finally back in my house. This is the book that we're gonna be using today. It's called the Plant Protein Revolution Cookbook. So the meal that we're gonna be making today looks like this. First of all, look at it. It looks insane. It's called the Plant Power Buddha Bowl. I'm gonna leave the recipe down below because it's quite intense, but it's still easy. It's just you need the ingredients. On top of it, this ginormous bowl of food is approximately only 430 calories. Not that I really care about calories or count them, but like that's pretty good if you ask me. So let's start preparing everything. We're gonna start off by just cooking the sweet potato because that's a main component of it. This is nutritional yeast, but it's flakes and it looks like fish food. I've never tried it before. Cookie sauce. Right. It's looking crazy. It smells so strong. She's ready. Now time to make the bowl. We've done the dressing. It says to make the salad bowl, we have to divide kale, cooked quinoa, sweet potato, black beans, and avocado. And then we can put the dressing over top and then sprinkle on some hemp seeds. Instead of quinoa, we're gonna be using brown rice because I did not buy any quinoa. Everything is separated into little bowls. That's my favorite part of doing bowls in general because then you have the ability to be creative and do whatever you want with it. So let's do it together. I'm probably not gonna put that many beans in it, and I'm gonna put a hell of a lot of sweet potato in it because that's my favorite. And we're gonna put this sauce on top. It smells really interesting, but I bet it tastes good. ashamed this isn't that aesthetic, but it probably tastes good. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of it, try to make it look good. Let's dig in. Actually, let me take a Snapchat video. I'm gonna send it to my friends. What do you think about my homemade Buddha bowl? Very vegan. Sauce looks a little bit concerning. Not as aesthetic as I hoped for it to be, but it's got sweet potato and I'm excited for that. Okay, I'm gonna send that to my friend Cam because he's a vegan. I don't think he's watching this right now, but if he is, he'd be proud of me for this meal. I'm obsessed with lime and I think it needs some lime, so I'm gonna put a lot of this over the avocado, over the salad and the rice. Hopefully I'm not ruining the flavor. I'm also gonna add some crushed red pepper because I like it when things are spicy. Guys, this is so good. Highly recommend trying this out. And if you don't want to do this exact recipe, taking the inspiration of making a bowl, which just requires a bunch of different foods and then like some kind of dressing to bring it all together, but definitely adding sweet potato because normally I would have never made a bowl with sweet potato, and honestly, it does change the game. It's dinner time. It's so late. Every time I film what I eat in a day, I always have my meals later than I normally do because I procrastinate filming them. So it is literally like 8 p.m. Look tragic. Look at my hair. Look at me. I'm so excited for today's dinner because let's just get this out of the way. We are going to be cooking with soba noodles. I pulled out this beautiful recipe that is called noodle salad with edamame and sesame dressing, which just sounds delicious. Once again, I'll have this linked in the description box, but it seems to be really good. It says that it's quick and easy to make. I'm gonna make this for myself, but I'm gonna add a little bit extra just in case my family wants some tomorrow because I think they already ate dinner. But I've already started cooking my edamame, and we're gonna put this soba noodle, this whole package, which is a lot of noodles, into the pan, and we're gonna start cooking. And I'm so excited for this. I'm actually so hungry, so these noodles look so intense and I'm scared that I used way too many packs, but okay. I see you, noodles. Also guys, while my noodles cook, how cute, my mom went to the store to go buy me some bowls because I told her that I didn't have any like proper fun bowls for noodles, and she got me this one, which is super cute. You'll definitely be seeing food snaps on my Instagram story and in my YouTube videos with this bowl. And she also got this one, which is ginormous but very beautiful. I guess this is more for like a family serving size, then you put it onto your own bowl, but I really like it. It's got lines inside. I'm not sure where she bought it from. I'm assuming like Superstore or something. I'm gonna drain both of the things that I'm cooking, and then we just have to make the dressing in a blender. Okay. Ladies and gents, dinner is served. Look at this beauty. Let me show you guys up close. Damn, look at that soba noodles. I am panicking because my camera is at really low battery and I really don't want it to die before I finish this. So let's have a quick taste test. Also, I'm having another yerba because I'm insane and I bought 3 today, so like might as well knock them all out. They do have caffeine though, so good luck with me tonight. Although I do have a lot of editing to do, so like maybe it'll be a good thing. But this is the flavor lemon elation. So good. It's just basically iced tea and it's even better when it's cold. But let's try this noodle bowl. This is so fun, and once again, vegan. You're also supposed to add cashews, but I personally don't really like cashews, so I'm gonna save this for tomorrow when my family eats it. They can put the cashews in. It smells super vinegary because I put rice vinegar in it.